Hello, I'm Chris, one of the technical trainers here at Stratasys. In this video, I'll discuss the model setting Use Variable with Fill. Let's get started.
This feature is useful when you have air gaps between two walls that are too small to fill with an infill raster or a contour. Parts with air gaps between two thin walls are not as strong or as rigid as solid parts. This can result in a part that is easily damaged when force is applied to it. The Fortis 380 MC, Fortis 450 MC, Fortis 900 MC, F900, F770, and the F123 series printers with the latest versions of their printer software can fill these air gaps when used with the option Use Variable with Fill. Using this feature will make the part stronger and more rigid. Using GrabCAD Print, you can check both native CAD files and STL files for air gaps while preparing the part to be printed. The best way to check if you have air gaps between thin walls is to generate the slice preview for the selected layer thickness. In this example, the remnant fill size is constant, resulting in air gaps in areas that cannot be filled with a fixed toolpath size. Selecting the model setting, Use Variable with Fill, the toolpath size will automatically be adapted to minimize air gaps. This will result in a stronger and more rigid part. In narrow areas that use regions of raster infills, select the option Use Variable with Fill to replace raster fills with a contour that varies in width to best fill this area. This is especially beneficial on walls that are between 2 and 3 toolpaths in width, and the space between the toolpaths is not uniform. Using a T12 tip, the option may be useful to replace narrow area raster infills with contours. This may also reduce the printing time since contours generally print faster than raster fills. Using this option with some materials, such as Nylon 12 carbon fiber, replacing narrow width raster infills with contours will produce better parts. However, air gaps may remain in other areas due to the properties of the material.
To review, if you have models with wall thicknesses that are between 2 and 3 contours or toolpaths in thickness, consider using the Variable with Fill option to increase the part density and create a stronger model part. Thanks for watching. To learn more about GrabCAD Print, be sure to check out the other GrabCAD Print training videos from Stratasys Academy.